Hey everyone, and welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today we're tackling a huge topic that's been making waves in the AI community. Are we running out of data? It sounds crazy, right? We have the entire internet at our disposal, but the reality is a bit more nuanced than that. AI models, especially these large language models like ChatGPT, are data-hungry beasts. They devour massive datasets to learn and improve. But recent statements from prominent figures like Elon Musk suggest we might be hitting a wall. He claims we've exhausted basically the cumulative sum of human knowledge in AI training. Now, Musk isn't alone in this. Experts at Google DeepMind and Microsoft have echoed similar concerns. The issue isn't just the quantity of data, but the quality. We're talking about clean, labeled, and unbiased data that's actually useful for training sophisticated AI. So, what happens when we've used up all the good stuff? Elon, as you know, is never one to shy away from bold predictions. And with his new AI venture, XAI, he's placing a big bet on what he sees as the solution: synthetic data. Now, synthetic data is essentially artificially generated data, crafted by algorithms rather than collected from the real world. Think of it as a virtual training ground for AI, where we can control the variables, eliminate biases, and even generate entirely new scenarios that don't exist in real-world datasets. Musk's vision is that AI will eventually create and grade its own training data, essentially bootstrapping itself to higher levels of intelligence. It's a fascinating concept, and he believes it's the only way forward. So, let's unpack this synthetic data idea a little more. Why are companies like Microsoft, Meta, OpenAI, and Anthropic already using it? There are a few key advantages. First, it's cheaper. Training these massive AI models costs a fortune, and synthetic data can significantly cut those expenses. The AI startup Writer, for example, claims its Palmyra X004 model, trained almost entirely on synthetic data, cost a fraction of what a comparable OpenAI model would. Second, synthetic data offers more control. Real-world datasets can be messy, full of biases and inconsistencies. Synthetic data offers a pristine environment where we can carefully curate the training material, eliminating bias and ensuring consistency. Third, synthetic data can be tailored for specific tasks. Need to train an AI for a very niche application? Just generate a synthetic dataset that perfectly matches the requirements. Now, it's not all sunshine and roses with synthetic data. There are some serious challenges to overcome. One of the biggest is the risk of model collapse. Essentially, this is when the AI, trained on its own generated data, starts to become less creative, more biased, and ultimately less functional. This happens because the synthetic data might amplify existing biases in the original training data, leading to a feedback loop that reinforces these imperfections. Imagine an AI generating images of cats, and it's only ever seen pictures of orange tabby cats. Pretty soon, it'll start to think all cats are orange tabbies, and forget that other breeds exist. That's a simplified example, but the principle holds true for more complex scenarios too. Google and Microsoft, two giants in the AI arena, are already incorporating synthetic data into their training pipelines. Microsoft's Phi 4 model, for instance, uses a blend of synthetic and real-world data. Google's Gemma models and Meta's Llama series are also leveraging synthetic data. And Google DeepMind's work on These examples demonstrate that synthetic data isn't just a theoretical concept, it's becoming a practical necessity. Now, a quick word on how we measure AI progress. Benchmarks like Chatbot Arena have become popular ways to compare different models. But benchmarks aren't perfect. They can be biased, easily gamed, and often don't reflect real-world performance. It's crucial to remember that a high score on a benchmark doesn't necessarily translate to real-world usefulness. So, take these rankings with a grain of salt. The real test of AI is how well it performs in practical applications. So, where does this leave us? The data exhaustion problem is real, and it's pushing the AI industry to embrace synthetic data. While there are challenges to overcome, the potential benefits are immense. Synthetic data offers greater control, lower costs, and the ability to tailor training for specific tasks. It's likely we'll see a hybrid approach emerge, where AI models are trained on a combination of real-world and synthetic data, striking a balance between realism and control. The future of AI training is dynamic, and it's evolving rapidly. It's an exciting time to be following the development of artificial intelligence. All right, folks, that's it for our deep dive into the AI data landscape. Now it's your turn. What are your thoughts on synthetic data? Are you excited about its potential? Let me know in the comments below. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. And if you're new to the channel, Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We've got a lot more exciting stuff planned, including interviews with AI experts, demos of cutting-edge AI tools, and much more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.